Autistic Entrepreneurship. Hi, I'm the Independent Autistic, and on this channel, we're diving into something big, entrepreneurship. I know what you're thinking. Entrepreneurship? That sounds complicated, overwhelming, and not very autistic friendly. But what if I told you that autistics are actually wired for business in a powerful way if you do it on your own terms? So if you've ever dreamed of being your own boss, working on your own terms, or turning passion into paycheck, this video is for you. Because today we're talking about 14 things every autistic entrepreneur should know. Welcome to the channel. This is the Independent Autistic, where we empower young adult autistics toward independence, one practical step at a time. So let's get into it. Number one, you need a unique idea. As an autistic person, odds are you already have one buried somewhere deep inside. Our minds are full of patterns, systems, and deep observations that others miss. Your idea doesn't need to be trendy. It needs to be you. Number two, build a business plan. This doesn't need to be complicated. A basic plan is enough to help you think through what you're offering, who it helps, and how you will make money doing it. Write it out in your own way, whether that's bullet points, a mind map, a spreadsheet, whatever works for you and your brain. Number three, find your competitive edge. What makes your product or service different? What makes it faster, smarter, easier to use, or maybe it's more ethical, neurodivergent friendly, or a niche specific thing? Being autistic can be an advantage if you build in a way that highlights your strengths. Number four, work on your skills, whether it's coding, writing, baking, designing, or crafting. Keep sharpening your craft. You don't have to be perfect to start, but you do need to be growing. Number five, secure your intellectual property. If you're building something, a new project, protect it. This may mean copywriting your content, registering your trademark, or protecting trade secrets. This doesn't have to be expensive. Learn what is needed and take small steps to protect what is yours. Number six, build a team that fills in your gaps. You don't need to do it all. In fact, you shouldn't do it all. Know your weaknesses and get help, whether that's in marketing, customer service, or just email communication. Think of your business like a puzzle. You don't have to be every piece. Fill in those pieces with people that are good at those things. Number seven, secure funding. There are autistic-friendly grants that can help you get started. There's also crowdfunding. There's small business loans, and some bootstrapping options to take what you do have and turn it into business. Start small. Look into the resources you need. Ask for help. Your business is worth investing in. And even if that investment is just time and patience, do it. Make your passion into routines. Routine is life for us autistics. Take your passion and turn it into steps, systems, and checklists. A work cycle that fits your energy and your comfort. I know for me personally, there's a lot of times that doing something daily is really tough. But I have spurts where I get a whole bunch done in one day. I've learned that that's my work cycle, and I use it to my advantage. Number nine, hyperfocus until you're an expert. Let's be real, hyperfocus is one of the most powerful tools use it. Go deep. Study your field obsessively. Because if you care about it, you'll outknow and outwork the competition every time. Number 10, communicate in your way. You don't need to make cold calls or some slick sales presentation. If writing works for you, use email. If something visual works for you, use video. Whatever your way is, build your business around the way you communicate best. Number 11, set up your environment for autistic comfort. Work where you're comfortable, sensory friendly, quiet, or a place full of STEM toys. Whatever works for you, do it. Because when your space supports your creativity, life gets better. Number 12, money matters. It's survival in business. Running a business means managing money. Mind your own business. Be involved in the money part. Track your income, your cost, your time, budget, like your independence depends on it. Because in business, it does. Number 13, find autistic mentors and other business people. They are out there like you. Find them. Follow their blogs, their videos, read their books, whatever you have to do. You don't have to totally reinvent the wheel. There's a few people that have done it before you. Number 14, launch before you're ready. You will never feel ready. That's the trap. Perfectionism is the lie. Start small. Launch a beta version. Offer your service to a friend. Start scared. Start unpolished. Just start. Are you a young adult autistic, sitting at home and craving more independence? Then the Independent Autistic Bridge is just what you've been looking for. It's a 5 ebook guide to your independence. Check the link below and get it today. And remember to offer the customary sacrifices to the algorithm God. Thank you.